And who am I? That's not a secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. XOXO. Gossip Girl.
Hi guys, so today is Sunday and we are going to church and I'm going to update you guys kung saan pa kayo mapapadpad today. Here's the fit, just a simple beige top and a trouser. So we're now here at the basement and we're going up. So after the service, we decided to go to Mall of Asia for the tickets on PBA games. Then we headed to El Poco Cantina in Taft for our lunch. So we get our usual meals. We just added burrito and just 2 orders of our quesabirria tacos. So our usual budget for our orders in here is around 500 to 1,200 up. So that's the maximum, 1,200. So we get the quality of service and foods considering the price that we paid for.
Bili nga ako, Mike. Kakararate ko na. Gagutom, no?
Hati tayo.
Naiyak ka. Naiyak sa sibuyas. Cry baby. Naiyak siya guys kasi ang ganda ko daw eh.
Kasi na yung mga iba lang, bakit ang tilang yung order nila?
Bakit?
Nakakabigat pa rin sila.
Ang bigat siya nung tacos nila. Pero masarap, solid. Babalik-balikan. Bibili tayo palamig. Super init. Papalamig tayo.
Hello guys, so pauwi na tayo galing work and tamad na tamad ako ng mukha. So work. So after work, me and my boyfriend went to their family gathering. So we went here at Ayala Malls for simple dinner and food buffet. So after that, we went straight at home and then here's a sweet treat from Ate Ivy's, my boyfriend's sister. Yeah, I very appreciate this because she's very sweet and generous. And I love being with generous people. So the next day, my friend fetched me. So as you guys can always see, Clark, she is my best friend, my favorite gay friend, and she is going to buy her first ever iPhone by her own hard work since she is already working I very admire her because she's so hardworking, focusing on her studies and work at the same time. So we both focus on different paths, but you know, the bond, it is special, very special to have a great bonding with your high school friends. So here's me getting some touch-ups because I just woke up and from school. So I refuse to look miserable and broke. So that's why I keep fixing my face, my morning puffy face. So excuse me for that.
Ay guys, on the way kami sa Sus Coffee. Mag-aalmusal lang kami. Even before, ikaw lagi nakakasama ko sa content ko.
Sa may
Ang susunod na istasyon ay Hilpuyat Station. Next station, Hilpuyat Station.
Okay siya. Tama sa
Hilpuyat Station. Hilpuyat Station.
dito, tapat ng Lasal. Nakita ko yun. Hey guys, punta kami cafe. Isang ano tayo? Tali Cafe. Dito nga, banda. Katagod. Tapos napapastraight ako. And then, nagagastos ko na lang yung mga barya-barya. Like yung mga padinar, di ba buo na yan? Flat na yan, 3K arawa. Tapos may buo na 500. Nagagastos. Pag napapastraight ako na hindi ko na ano yung exact amount na nakuha ko. Napapastraight ako. Tapos,
parang
nagagastos ko na lang yung ano. Sabi ko, tama na, ganun din ang mangyayari. Enjoy ko na to. Naghirapan ko naman. Tapos ayun, pag binabalikan ko naman, kaya kada go out ko, nag-ano lang ako. Parang feel na din.
parang memory siya.
Oo, parang makita ko sa
Nakita mo
girls
kasi
na
nila.
dinadala yung pera ko
Yun din sa
na.
akin eh.
But,
Ito, dito ka na ba ano?
lahat kasi may bayad eh. Kung experience sa buhay, kailangan magbayad ka.
Correct.
Pero yun nga, okay naman, nag-enjoy naman ako.
Kung sabi ko talaga kung talaga ako passport this year.
Oo. Tara na, kumain na. Pauwi na kami.
Wala, hindi ko ano yung masyadong ano sa ito. Per me lang ah.
Kami reklamo. Hi guys, so today is Saturday and today is my rest day. But wala akong ganap today because maghapon lang ako nasa bahay. So yeah, for today's agenda, gagawa lang ako ng aking school works ng lesson plan ko. Tapos, try ko mag-film ng updated makeup routines ko. And maghahanap ako ng damit tonight because I have an errand tomorrow. May pupuntahan kaming gym and ayun, so kailangan ko maghanap ng outfit. So magpe-prep ako ngayon ng dinner kasi hindi pa ako nakain. Ngayon lang ako ulit nandito sa bahay. Ngayon lang ulit ako kakain ng lutong bahay kasi nga lang.
It's the early morning of February. Gatorade has more inside in to help you find more inside you.